Today we're going to talk about one of the more common service calls we get, and that is lines, streaks, smudges, missing areas on copy output. That's a clean original I'm starting with, and I'm just making a copy. However, when that copy exits, not so clean anymore. What we have now are lines, streaks, smudges, and even a missing void area completely through, covering what was once a sentence. So how do we combat that? What do we do to fix that? Underneath the document feeder is a slit glass scanner. Here. On this scanner we can see an obvious piece of whiteout that we put there for this video and some dirt that's on the glass. Sometimes it's not so obvious. What I've learned, one of the tricks is to take the copy that came out with the poor quality, put it face up on the glass in the upper corner, and this void area will point directly towards the whiteout, and these streaks here will point directly towards the dirt on the glass. So if it's something that you can't see, it's not so obvious, you can follow those lines. They basically point to the problem. Here's how we clean the scanner. You can use a microfiber cloth or just a soft cloth in general. For this example, I'm going to use an old t-shirt. It's a nice soft material. And clean off that glass scanner. It's the area with the dirt and the area with the whiteout. Sometimes it can be stubborn. Might take a little bit more elbow grease. But once we get that scanner nice and clean, we'll make a test copy. And see how this looks. And there we have a clean copy. Now, when two-sided copying, you may also see lines or streaks on the back of the page on the second side. So there's a second scanner that I'd like to show you. If you pull down on this green lever, that will expose a second strip of glass here. That's your second scanner. You want to keep that one clean as well. When you close it, make sure that you push on the green sticker with the hand in the center so it closes properly. Thank you.